gliding through city streets, heads turning at every signal. And then, without changing a thing, you leave the asphalt behind and confidently take on rough terrain. That's the magic of the 2026 Range Rover Evoque, compact luxury SUV that refuses to be just one thing. Right from the first glance, the Evoque hooks you with its sharp, coupe-inspired silhouette, flush door handles, and that unmistakable Range Rover stance that screams premium without trying too hard. The 2026 model feels more mature, more refined, yet still bold. The front end looks sharper and cleaner with slimmer LED headlights and a redesigned grille that gives it a wider, more planted presence. Around the back, the signature slim taillights stretch elegantly across the body, giving it a futuristic look, especially at night. The proportions are compact enough for tight city driving, but muscular enough to remind you that this SUV has real off-road DNA. Step inside. The Evoque instantly feels like a mini luxury lounge. Soft touch materials, premium leather, brushed metal accents, and sustainable fabric options all come together in a cabin that feels both modern and responsible. The driving position is slightly elevated, giving you that confident Range Rover view of the road. The updated curved touchscreen takes center stage, responding quickly and looking sharp, while the digital driver display delivers all essential information in a clean, customizable layout. Everything feels intuitive, whether you're techy or just want things to work without effort. Comfort is where the Evoque quietly impresses. The seats are supportive for long drives and plush enough for daily commutes. Rear passengers get decent legroom for a compact SUV, and the cargo space is practical for shopping runs, weekend trips, or airport luggage. Ambient lighting subtly wraps around the cabin, adding to the premium atmosphere, especially during night drives. Under the hood, the 2026 Range Rover Evoque focuses on efficiency without sacrificing performance. You can expect refined, turbocharged petrol and diesel options, along with a plug-in hybrid variant for those who want strong performance with lower emissions. Acceleration is smooth and confident, perfect for city traffic and highway cruising alike. The hybrid option, in particular, allows short daily drives on electric power alone, making it ideal for urban lifestyles while still offering long-distance capability. On the road, the Evoque feels composed and comfortable. The suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, keeping the ride smooth even on rough surfaces. Steering is light and precise, making parking in tight turns surprisingly easy for a luxury SUV. Push it onto winding roads, and it stays planted, feeling more agile than you'd expect from a vehicle with off-road credentials. And yes, still a real Range Rover, with advanced all-wheel drive systems, terrain response modes, hill descent control, and impressive ground clearance for its class. The Evoque doesn't shy away from mud, snow, or gravel. Whether it's a rainy day, a mountain road, or a sandy trail, the Evoque adapts and keeps moving with confidence. Safety and driver assistance are taken seriously here. The 2026 model comes loaded with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and advanced parking assistance. These features don't just add safety, they reduce stress, especially in traffic-heavy cities. What truly makes the Range Rover Evoque special is its balance. It's stylish without being flashy, luxurious without being intimidating, and capable without being bulky. It's designed for people who want premium comfort during the week and adventure on the weekend, all wrapped in a compact, elegant package. So, if you're looking for an SUV that blends city sophistication with authentic off-road heritage, the 2026 Range Rover Evoque doesn't just fit the lifestyle, it elevates it. This isn't just a smaller Range Rover, it's a statement that luxury and versatility can coexist beautifully.